In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 scams that you should avoid, and this video will save you tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let's go. So a couple of months ago, I did a video about 10 lawyer scams, and that video did really well. And there was a lot of good input that we also got from lawyers about this, and I want to give you 5 more, or if you've never heard of these, this will be a good review of 5 things that you should avoid as a lawyer and a law firm owner. Number 1, it's probably the one that annoys me the most because lawyers these days are still falling for it, and that is SEO companies. From where we are right now, from when I'm recording these videos, you do not need SEO. I don't know how many times I can say this. SEO is already too late. It's already very saturated. It's not as effective as it was before. And that money that you're spending on SEO, doesn't matter if it's $500 up to $5,000 a month that you're spending on SEO, it could be much better spent in other places, including doing paid ads and other things. So if you are doing SEO, you should highly consider. I rarely ever find law firm owners that are doing SEO that's actually worth their while. How do I know this? Because there's a tool called SEMrush or Ahrefs to be able to sign up for 1 month. Maybe just pay the $100, put your website in there and look at the stats. They give you charts, they give you your domain authority, they give you your site authority, they give you page authority, they give you how many links that your SEO company is building out. And you could actually cross-reference their work. And a lot of times when I find law firm owners who join our program, they tell me they do SEO, I go put in their website into this SEMrush tool, and I'm so sorry to tell you this news, but your SEO company has been eating up your money. So 9 out of 10 times, people that are doing SEO should not be doing SEO, and the people that are considering doing SEO should not be doing SEO. And again, it's much better to take that money and put it in better places. Number 2 is Hypocrite marketing companies. Hypocrite marketing companies. What does that mean? These are marketing companies that are offering you marketing, but they don't even have their own marketing down. And you could probably usually judge them based on their website, their funnels, how their calendaring system is set up, their lead contact information, like how basically their own marketing is. And if you find somebody who doesn't have any portfolio and doesn't have any case studies, which we'll be talking about, that's what I consider a hypocrite marketing company. A good marketing company has good marketing. So just make sure to look out for those situations where maybe their real marketing is not that strong. Check their YouTube, check their Facebook page, check their Yelp page, check for those things, because a good long-standing, long-term marketing company are usually good marketers themselves. Number 3 is paid directories and listings. These are these lawyer directories that usually start off in the 1990s that still to this day are still fooling a bunch of law firm owners to say, hey, come join our directory listing, come join our high level networking, whatever, there's like different names for it. Networking, directory listing, it's usually like a paid membership to join this, for you to be posted to their website and to be in this network of lawyers, exclusive. And usually the buzzword is, we're only taking on 1 lawyer per city. That's a major red flag. You do not need any of these. Such low value SEO juice. Usually those don't get any visitors. It does not get you clients. And that includes Alvo, Martindale, Novo, Fine Law, all those things really fall into these. So again, much better to be able to take that money and put into better places. Number 4 also really annoys me, and that is free Google Ads grants. Okay, free Google Ads grants. What that sounds like, it's a company that comes and says, hey, I could get you free Google Ads money. How do I know this? Because I actually went through this myself. I basically got hit up, and 3 years ago I signed up for this, and it took me a while. It took me a year to realize that it was all a scam. Yes, Google has a program for nonprofits to give you to secure you grants, to give you basically free Google Ads money, but practically speaking, they basically limit what the cost per click budget that they give you for those types of campaigns. And when I did it, it was basically $2, which basically, that means you're limited to running these campaigns for $2 a click, which if you know Google Ads, you know that you'll never get any clicks or impressions if you're only basically bidding $2 per click. And that practically means you will not get any results from this. And there's people going around offering this, and there's one particular person who's going around offering this, and it really annoys me because what they've been doing is they've been offering the same thing for the past 3 years, but they keep changing their business name and pulling the next fool into this program. You do not need free Google Ads grant money. Save that money and put it into something else. And number 5 is marketing companies that have no case studies or BS case studies, okay? Be very mindful, look at their case studies and really look at the screenshot. A lot of these, I see these marketing companies all the time on Facebook when they're running Facebook ads. I actually look at the screenshots of their case studies, and not only is it outdated, not only is it off topic, it's about SEO and rankings from like a couple of years ago. What does that have to do with anything? So if you find somebody that doesn't have any case studies or outdated or really weak or things that are not relevant for exactly what they're doing right now, especially in the time when you're gonna sign up with them, that's a major red flag. So be on the lookout as for current case studies, because that will be a good sign to see if they're actually good or not. So just to recap, avoid SEO companies. Honestly, waste the money. It's much better to take that money and do some paid ads or do YouTube. It's a lot more effective SEO way to build out content. Avoid hypocrite marketing companies that don't market themselves and they don't have good marketing. If they were so good, maybe they should have their own, good marketing themselves. Avoid paid directories and listings. Avoid these people going around offering free Google Ads grants. Or people people sometimes avoid using this word, but that's basically what it is. And avoid marketing companies that don't have any case studies or bad case studies or not recent case studies, okay? At least you probably got exposed to one of these, just to try to be on the lookout for these and save your money, all right? If you got value from this video, just give this video a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it, go watch it.